here. It's summertime, so for now, I come out early and watch the hummingbirds, which they're always incredibly entertaining. Love watching them. Fill the feeders when they need it, which I'm going to wait as long as possible because of the extreme heat today. I admired my flowers. Got a new rose in bloom on that one. The mini rose. And usually there's stuff up there. There, of course, was the squirrels a while ago. And there will undoubtedly be more birds. It's still pretty early. I cut that flower way back yesterday because, well, it appears to be dying. It's been that way for like a month. Some down there I can see from my sitting spot. My tomato plants. They got pretty huge this year. I've gotten plenty of tomatoes off of it just for me. Notice that flower bloom that's growed around that. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's my morning view during the summer. During the summer, it's beautiful back here. Winter, there's just not much to look at around here. That feeder's gonna need to be changed here before long. They'll go through that. With the heat, I like to wait so it'll stay cool a little longer. That one I only filled that full a while ago, so I can empty it later. Well, it'll be gone later and I can put fresh food in it. That one I filled up last night, late. Well, late for me. It'll last all day, but it'll probably be empty before night. Morning feedings. If you're going to feed hummingbirds in the extreme heat like it has been, 90 plus, I believe the feeders need washed every day and fresh food put in every day. So I try to time it, not put more than I'm going to use in that period of time. I want it to be empty or almost empty so that I don't have to worry about the food getting old. Sun's barely coming up and quite a lot of them already out. I always get an influx of hummingbirds first thing in the morning, and then before dark, I will get another big mess of them. Through the day, there's always several because I got a lot of hummingbirds, but there's always a lot more in the morning and right before dusk. And I've got sugar back on my list again of things I need to pick up. Got enough for 2 or 3 more days, and then I'll be out again. I did not expect that bag to go that fast. But they are worth it just for the morning entertainment. Right now it's too hot to set out in the middle of the day. It's rather warm this morning already. In the evening it takes so long for it to cool off. You get much. I go to bed early, so you got time to wait for it to cool. I'd already added some feed to that one this morning. I didn't fill it up because it is going to be so hot. I'd rather add feed again later than have it set in that extreme heat.